These nice folks from WINTEMP sent me this to do an unboxing review on. Let's check this baby out. All right, here's everything that came in the box. And here's the electrical connection on it. So it's gonna need to be hardwired in or put a plug on it. Okay, it came with some extra screws and some screens as well. I can tell you that they tested this thing out before they sent it, because there's a little bit of water in there that came out right when I unscrewed that. That's what the connections look like. So we just turn these here. And we've got the inlet, blue for cold, red for hot for the outlet. It's gonna come out hot. All right, back here to this water heater. So one thing I went and got is a couple adapters here for the ends of this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go from 1/2 inch NPS to 3/4 inch NPS. That way it'll fit a standard garden hose. Okay, so I've got 3/4 to 1/2. Now this thing will accept 2 hose ends. All right, I got this thing hooked up to 2 hoses here. I've got the water coming in and the water coming out. I'm gonna go ahead and take this and plug it into the generator. All right, I've had some success here. I don't have any water running through this yet. Look at that, it works. Okay, now that I know this thing works, I'm gonna go ahead and put some plumber's tape around here and make some good connections, some leak-proof connections on here, as well as the hoses, and get this thing mounted and see if I can make a nice hot outdoor shower with this thing off a generator. Okay, here's my setup for this demonstration. I just got the water heater clamped to an easel I had made a while back. So I've got that clamped there so it won't go anywhere. I've got inlet, outlet, and then got it plugged into the generator there. What I'm gonna do too, one thing nice about having a little a valve on here, you can kind of restrict the flow. So I'm not gonna give it full flow just because I think it's too much for this water heater. So, you know, either use something like this or maybe even a flow restrictor. Okay, here's the outlet. Now you can use a longer hose for this if you want to make an outdoor type of shower or enclosure. But I'm just using a short hose just for this demo here. I've got this plugged into the incoming. All right, I got the water flowing through here, and it's not leaking too bad. Just got a little bit of drips. I can live with that. I used plumber's tape on these connections, but they weren't totally perfect. But for the purposes outdoor use like this, camping, whatever, perfect. And it's working. It's got some flow through it. Now we just got to fire up this water heater, which means I got to fire up the generator, so it's going to be loud.